Something you definitely need to know about Zion before you go is that they use a shuttle system to get you to all the trailheads. So you need to go online the day before, purchase a shuttle ticket. It's $1 per person, and that's good for the entire day. You park in a central parking lot, and from there they shuttle you to the trailheads throughout the park. So we're coming through Zion Park and there's a tunnel and we get stopped, and apparently there's a $15 fee if you have a dually to make it through this tunnel. They're letting us go because they didn't stop us at the gate. They didn't catch it, but that seems like a lot of money to go through a tunnel. So be aware of that if you come through with a dually or any oversized vehicle. Here we are at Zion National Park. We gotta go catch our shuttle. Parking is insane here. Due to COVID, they took every other seat out of the shuttles to allow social distancing. This was Spirit Airlines, so I mean they took out 4 rows. Here we go.
And there might be long lines for the last shuttle out of the canyon at the end of the day. The very last bus leaves the Temple of Sinawava at 8:15 p.m. but again, can only hold 33 people with absolutely no standing for physical distancing reasons.
We just took off on our first hike and the Hoffman travelers are already having trouble keeping up. You're doing so good, bro. Smelly? Oh, I don't know. It doesn't look like it.
Because it's too high. Right? Oh, is this all the water on the ground?
There's stairs over there.
No?
Oh, it's so nice in the shade.
Yeah. Here's my neck.
Oh, here's the Hoffman travelers. Gonna on your left. We're in Zion. We're in the Emerald pools. We made it to the lower pool. 2 days in a row, I guess, is asking a lot from the kids. It's a much rougher day. We're probably not going to put on a whole lot of mileage today. Absolutely beautiful. This place is like no other that we've seen.
I want it to play.
I just want you to be loud for a minute. We're checking the acoustics. Very good.
I like your sunglasses.
Oh, is that a cheeseburger on my head?
It's a good one.
Thanks. You digging up some dinosaur bones?
No, I just get in the box because it's fun. I got about to find some fossils.
Some fossils? Oh, cool.
Where's Daddy?
You kind of do it, dude. That's with your hand.
Yeah.
Just like I did when I...
Indiana Jones?
Oh, you did
Oh, you
it!
did it so...
Your hand?
That's right, put your feet on it. Walk. That's
Can't
right.
walk very good with spaghetti legs. Good job, guys. You made that look easy.
You see?
Piece of
You
cake.
did it. Man, being a blues traveler really pays off.
Alright, we have to get a picture because we made it up here.
Yeah.
With no whining or anything.
Yeah.
Pretty impressive.
Yeah, I didn't hear anything.
Yeah.
Good job, guys.
Oh wow, Ezra, that's a good one. Okay, nice mouth. Like this. Like this.
Is that a cheeseburger on Lauren's head?
Oh,
Let's do our thing.
oh
We
yeah.
haven't done this in a long time. The
That was good. Is that your family cheer? Love it.
We usually do the Hoffmans, but today we decided.
Felt weird when we're here.
We always make fun of everybody, so we gotta like change what we do when we're around people.
That tree on the far side.
Yep, don't step there. I didn't know we were eating lunch with Bruce Springsteen.
From here, Mommy. See? What?
Oh.
Hi.
Yeah. Oh, I got it in your lip.
Our next
We just got to this place. It's the very last place that the bus goes, and the line to get back is huge.
Man, too bad you don't have your skateboard. You would have got some air.
That would have been awesome. Too bad.
You don't have a skateboard.
Grind a rail.
You don't
girls. Come here, no, Ruru, no.
He's definitely used to eating
Yeah,
human food. Look
from
at the
people's
size of that
hands.
thing. This sucker's fat.
I really don't want to get freaky.
Okay.
Come here, Ruru.
You see the angle on this. This is a really good skateboard rock. This is how she gets all those Instagrammable shots. Man, look at that. She really knows what she's doing. All right, this way. Gryffindor, this way. Follow me, quickly. The year was 2010. Bryce challenged all of us to a foot race, and he beat us all pretty handedly. Well, now I'm 40, and I'm ready for a rematch. What do you think, Bryce? He doesn't have time for that. Just do it.
Mommy now.
Whoa.
That was a good one.
Just shoot in the same direction and make a big place.
Oh, that's not even gonna make a splash.
No.
Okay, my brother just bet me that I couldn't throw it above this band here, a rock. And let's just say I showed him up. Won't say where it hit, but it was above that. Zion, how was it?
It was pretty spectacular.
You heard it from the horse's mouth.
Yet again, another definitely worth seeing. 5 tips for you. Tip number 1. Prepare to not worry about getting sand in your feet. Tip number 2. If you're with a slower group, just be okay with that.
Look at Mommy.
Tip number 3. Be prepared for your husband to whine the whole time.
Catch 22.
See? See, Mommy? Does it hurt? See, it's hard.
Tip number 5.
You missed number 4.
Really? Oh, I thought you did 4. Come on, you guys. Tip number 4. Just take it all in.
Oh, no, not with
Tip number 5. Bring your camelback. Worth every penny if you have to buy one.
It's gotten better.
That was full.
Why won't you sleep?
Hey, you guys ever seen Speed?
He wants to come and use Shar's, I think.
I think you're Gigantor.
You say bye to the Hoffman travelers?
Bye, Blues Travelers.
Bye. See you next week.
Bye.
See ya. Being an oversized vehicle has its perks. We were able to park in the oversized parking lot. Otherwise, we would have had to park in town.
What does that even mean?
What?
Park in town, like in
They must have a parking lot in town, yeah. And they shuttle you. All right, so we also just found out that the tunnel closes at 8 o'clock. It's 8:06, and luckily they let us go through. So take note of that.
Give them a chip or an apple, they'll go crazy.
Yeah, that's awesome.
They've been following us around for about a half an hour.
Have named them. They feed them every night.
Oh yeah?
They'll eat anything. Taco meat, onions, I've had jalapenos, and fish.
She's coming for your drink. She says, okay.
Can't believe they're that friendly.
They'll eat right out of your hand. If you have food, they will eat.
We go.
Sit on the ground so that no hurt. On the ground there.
Do you want to do it?
Yeah.
You want to do it, Ez?
This one's hungry though.
Awesome.
This one for you.
All right, hold your hand flat, remember? There you go. Awesome.
Okay, give me 20.
Cool. Reagan just put her window back up. Oh man, I could grind this.
Did she do it? I don't think so.
Oh.
Did she do it? Oh!
Wow.
Man. Okay. Can't trust you with anything.
I lost my cup.
I'm just gonna rinse it off in the river.
Sarah, no, you can't. It's poison.
There are like bugs that you touch.
This is definitely squatchy.
But you don't see.
Oh, yeah.
It doesn't look very good. See?
What else could have done that but a squatch? Look at the size of this.
She's gonna leave.
I just see